Hey, welcome back. So our delete on the products isn't working. All we get is an empty string. So let's follow the trail, shall we, of our issues here. So the first part we're going to look at, now the fact that we are actually receiving something back here, it means things are working on that side. We are receiving something back. So let me go back to products.php for a second here. I want to come back where it says delete row. This is the one. So if data type is delete row, we do an alert here of the message. But it doesn't seem like this is what's happening, is it? Okay, so just a minute here. So it's not getting to that point because we are getting this. This is the console.log that we are seeing there, and it's showing us an empty string. So if I come back to Ajax product here and see where it says delete row, and this is where we are going with that. Okay. So all we need to do is echo out a bunch of things just to see that we are at least getting to this point. So here I'm going to add that just to see if I get that as a result. So I do get an empty string instead. So it doesn't seem like we are getting to this point either. We are not getting there on delete row. Okay, so let's go back and do something. Let's go back to products.php, all right? And let's see what delete, where is the delete function here? Edit, delete row. Are you sure you want to delete? This part is done, and then there's send data. Send data, the type is delete row, and the ID is the ID. So we should be sending good information here. So if we come back, not to the class, but to the Ajax part here, we should see what's inside data. All right, so let's go up here and see what we're actually getting. Where are we here? Right here. I want to see what's inside data. So I'll say print readable, print R, data, like so. All right. So let's try again. Bam. Okay. So now at least we get something. So there's data type, which is delete row, and ID is equal to 12. So this looks promising, doesn't it? The only issue here is it's not an object, right? Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, it's not an object. It's just a string. This is what we're getting here. So which means we got it from here. So data is equal to object post. So when we use the post data, it comes in as an object, but when we grab it from here, it comes here as some text. So we need to change that, right? So I'm going to copy this, copy that, and put it here, like so. So I think this is our problem here. So I want to use JSON, what do I want to do here? Decode is the right one. Okay, so there we go. Because encode is when you're getting ready to send it. So you convert that into a string. So let's see if this sorts our problem out. Yeah, so now let's refresh. And let's try one more time. Delete. Yep. Ooh, okay. Now I love these errors that I'm getting because they're explaining more the situation. So call to a member function get one on no. So usually it's a good idea to start with the first error, because usually when you fix that error, a bunch of the other errors disappear as well. So this one is in the product class on line 209. It's saying we are calling get one on a no. So 209, where are we? Product class. Let's go 209. So the real secret to being a good programmer is just to know how to fix errors. If you can be able to fix errors, then you're going to be a great programmer, because you can do quite a number of things if you're able to fix your errors. If you're not able to fix your errors, you're going to get really frustrated. So be patient with yourself while you are dealing with errors. It's very important that you learn how to figure them out. Okay, so let's look at our error again. So the error is saying I'm calling this on a no. So what it means is that this is a no, and I'm trying to get this function from a no object. So this is not good. This model should not be a no. But why is this no? It's no because we actually set it to be a no. So this means if we do not provide this model, it's going to default to a no. Okay, which is the issue here. Right. So this is because we what's really happening here? Get one model. Okay. All right. So what we need to do is just supply the data for this model, and this model is supposed to be a category, I think. Where is model? Get one. Yeah, this is for categories. So let me go back to the Ajax product here. Let's move down a little bit, and this is the category model right here. So I just need to copy that. Bam. Let's go down now to the delete, and right here I just need to supply that particular thing there, and we should be good to go. Yes. Okay, so let's give it a shot. Refresh and delete. Okay, code to member function get one on no 209. So we're still getting this problem. Okay, so category here. Wait a minute, let me check in the categories class. Is there any get one? Yeah, it's there. So we're on the right track. Oh, I actually added it on the wrong. No, this is the right place. So let me go back to product class here and see what problem we're having. 209 model. Model is equal to no. Okay, so it's on the make table. This is where we have a problem. Make table, where are you? Let's come back to the Ajax again. So it's not here, but on the make table. So my mistake. Right here on the make table, comma, paste. Okay, we should be happy now. Refresh, delete. Yes, your row was successfully deleted. And I got all this gibberish. So in order to stop all this coming back, just remove the console.log. I leave it there because I'm usually doing my debugging and I constantly have to put it back and remove it. So you can just for a second here put some comments like so. Comment it out. That way we don't have to see that in case you are looking for specific errors. Yes. All right, so yeah, let me click here. Wait, did I delete more than I needed to? All right, anyway, so this is what we have left. That is working fine. So now what we need to do is let's, since all that is working now we can go back and display the orders that were created. So let's go to orders here for a second. Yeah, so we have a few orders here that we need to display. So we're going to do that in the next video on orders. Oh, not here. Nope. All right, so see you in the next video.